Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn Tokelauan words for items around the house. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's begin. Puha means fridge. Puha, fridge. Mahinita mea means washing machine. Mahinita mea, washing machine. Helha means bed. Helha, bed. Halu means broom. Halu, broom. Ipuinu means cup. Ipuinu, cup. Ipukai means plate. Ipukai, plate. Laulau means table. Laulau, table. Telehoni means telephone. Telehoni, telephone. TV means television. TV, television. Ongaumu means oven. Ongaumu, oven. Nakia means clothes. Nakia, clothes. Meakai means food. Meakai, food. Tukutua or vava means toilet. Tukutua or vava, toilet. Takele means bath. Takele, bath. Kiekahu means blanket. Kiekahu, blanket. Tuhi paia means Bible. Tuhi paia, Bible. Wati means clock. Wati, clock. Well done, class. That's the bell. See you tomorrow.